Hello students, next class we are going to start metamers. It is one of the isomerism. So here also same molecular formula, but the structures are different. So difference of number of carbon atoms on either side of the function group is called as a metamerism. For example, you will take now CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH3. This is a diethyl ether. Diethyl ether is common name. And what is the IUPAC name? Ethoxy ethane is IUPAC name. IUPAC name. So this is one of the structure. Now metamerism means to check now. In ether, right is a 2 carbons and left also 2 carbons are there. Right 2 carbons and left also 2 carbon. 2 plus 2 carbons are there. Now we are change CH3O, CH2, CH2, CH3. Same molecular formula, but we are given a structure difference. Now this is the diethyl ether, but this one ethyl methyl ether. According to alphabetical order, first we will write now ethyl methyl ether. Ethyl methyl ether. Here the 2 plus 2 is there. Right and left 2 carbons are there. But now here 1 carbon is there left side and 3 carbons at right side. These structures are called the metamers. The both are metamers. This is a definition. Different number of carbon atoms on either side of function group are called metamers. Here which one is a function group? Ether is a function group. And this one is possible only. This metamers shows bivalent. Bivalent means that valence is 2, and polyvalent, more than one. Yeah, more than one means bivalent or trivalent. Not shown in monovalent. In monovalent, the metamerism is not possible. It is only possible in bivalent and polyvalent. The monovalent means only single bond will be there. Only single bond. F chlorine, hydrogen, like that. And only one bond is there, no second side. Like OH. So many examples are there. The bivalent means oxygen. The 2 sides are there, and also sulfur also, and C double bond O, and ethers also C double bond O, and nitrogen is trivalent. Nitrogen is trivalent. So it is possible only bivalent and polyvalent, not for monovalent. And so many examples are given. In below. Now what is the definition of metamers? Is the same molecular formula, but different number of carbon atoms on either side of the function group are called as a metamers. Yeah, metamers. It is not possible in monovalent. It is possible only bivalent and trivalent. Now question: CH3, CH2, C double bond O, like compound is there. Now how many carbons here? 1, 2, 3. Right side is a ring is there, left side is 3 carbons are there. Now metamer CH3, C double bond O. Both are metamers. Sorry. CH2 will be there. Right side 2 carbons are there. Left side, right side is CH2 and ring will be there, and left side is 2 carbons are there. Not bad.